In today's video I'm going to show you how to easily deposit Ethereum to your Memefi wallet. So let's get started. I'll be using Bybit for this transaction, but you can also use Bybit, OKX or Bitkit. Just follow along and it'll work just fine. Locate the wallet icon at the lower right hand side of your screen, and you'll see the options for deposit or withdraw. Since we want to fund our account, click on deposit. Now you'll see your Ethereum wallet address. Copy this address because you'll need it for the next step. Head over to your exchange app, and once you're logged in, buy Ethereum and transfer it straight to your Mine wallet, and transfer it straight to your Memefi wallet. First, ensure your funds are in the trading account. If they're in your funding account, just transfer them over. After purchasing Ethereum, check under the assets to confirm that your Ethereum is there. Now we'll have to withdraw it. Select Ethereum and click on withdraw. Paste the address you copied earlier and select the amount to withdraw. It's wise to add a little extra to cover any price fluctuations. When you're ready, click withdraw and confirm the transactions. After a few moments, your Ethereum should arrive in your Memefi wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.